Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super fun and creative project for you, how to make your own pop-up 3D bookmarks using Canva and a few Cricut tricks. Whether you're a student, a book lover, or looking for a crafty project you can use or even gift to friends, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to design and prep beautiful bookmarks that literally pop off the page. And don't worry if you're brand new to Canva or Cricut, I'll walk you through each step so you feel confident from start to finish. Alright, let's dive right in. So our very first step is to head over to Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a fantastic free online design tool, and trust me, it makes projects like this incredibly approachable. So just open up your browser and go to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. It only takes a minute and the free plan is plenty for what we'll do today. This part's simple but crucial since Canva's tools are what really bring your bookmark design to life. Once you're in, look towards the top right and click on the Create a Design button. This opens up a menu where you can start anything from posters to social media posts, but for us, type the word bookmarks in the search bar that pops up. You'll see Canva instantly suggest a set of templates perfectly sized for bookmarks, which saves you a load of time fiddling with dimensions and layouts. Now for the fun part. Scroll through the template options and select one that catches your eye. Maybe you want something floral, geometric, inspirational, or completely blank so you can get creative from scratch. The beauty here is you're not stuck with whatever's on the template. You can swap out colors, fonts, illustrations, or even add silly quotes or your favorite characters. Maybe you're making bookmarks for your kids. They might love a superhero or animal theme, or maybe you love minimal designs that match your home's vibe. Just click on the elements to edit them and play around until you're happy. Don't be afraid to experiment. This is about letting your personal style shine. Now here where the Cricut trick comes in, especially if you want your bookmarks to pop up with a 3D effect. Take a moment to add some shapes or elements that you like to stand out from the surface. Think speech bubbles, stars, or little characters. Arrange these elements so part of their shape touches the edge of the bookmark. This way, when you cut them out later with your Cricut machine, you can use the flatten and detach features to lift these areas, giving your bookmark that eye-catching pop-up look. If you're new to Cricut, don't stress. The process is simply about making sure that, as you design, you imagine which parts you'll want to bend or fold forward after printing and cutting. Don't worry if it takes a bit of tinkering, the end effect is super worth it. When you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Go up to the Share button in the top right, click it, then choose Download. I recommend downloading as a PDF print if you plan to use Cricut, as this will ensure the quality stays nice and crisp for cutting. It might take a few seconds to process, but once it's done, you're ready to load it into Cricut Design Space and start cutting. And there you go, that's it. You've successfully designed a pop-up bookmark from start to finish, and it's totally tailored to your style. If you had fun or found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about Canva, Cricut, or any step in this process, drop a comment below. I love helping out and chatting with fellow crafters. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials and crafty tips. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.